Hello everyone, you are watching Trade with Aryan and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the profit that I did today buying Zomato options. As on the screen, you can see I made profit of 3200 rupees. The capital that was used for this trade was around 30,000. As you can see here, the capital was 30,000, which after profit uh, went up to 33,000. And to show you the timing of my trade, the entry was at 11:31. This is entry and exit was at 13:27. How much it went? It was around 2 hours. For 2 hours I held this trade and I took out at a profit of 3000. I was not in a mood to scalp. This trade was not meant to be scalping. As you can see here, I have bought April month expiry, that is next month expiry. That logic I will share while I am on the chart. So without wasting any further time, let's move on to the chart. This is Zomato chart. It is 15 minutes time frame. Let's first change it to 5 minutes time frame so that we can see my entry and exit timings. Where was my entry? 11:27. That comes out to be this one. Yes, it may be around price 204. So after that, you can see after I took the trade, it went down up to 200. I was quick at entry, and that I will show you because I was because this trade I had not thought of scalping. I had thought of positional trading. That is, I wanted to hold it for some days, and so like 2-3 rupees here and there, it doesn't matter in positional trading. And so after I entered, you can see it went quite down, around 1% it went down. At that time my real time PNL was minus 2000. That is, it was showing 2000 loss for me while it went up to 200 rupees. After that, after noon, we can see there is a recovery, and it was recovery was quite good. And at 13:27, that is at this point here at 205, I exited the trade. Okay, so this was my entry and exit. Since I saw a profit, quite good profit, and moreover, the main reason why I exited this trade was uh, there are some other positions open in this account, and for those positions there was a shortage of margin. My margin money went in negative, and so I was it was like eagerness to close this trade so that the capital from this trade will be utilized as a margin for my other position. As you can see that currently it is going up. I think I missed 2000, like surely I must have missed 1,000 rupees more. Anyways, that is the ifs and buts of trading. In trading it always happens. Sometimes when you close the position, the price goes, sometimes when you book the profit keeps on growing. So these things, like these little things matter. These all are psychology, and as long as I am happy, I am contented with 3000 profits, so that is okay. It doesn't matter much. So main reason to close this trade today itself was to free my margin money. Okay, so that was all, and now let's move on to the analysis of the chart. As usual, we will go on the weekly time frame. What we can see on the weekly time frame, Zomato from last year, like 2 years ago, it was at 47. From that, it has been in an uptrend till this December 2024. It went up to 300 rupees, 320 to be 300 rupees, and from there within these 3 months it has come back down to 200. That is, it lost 33% of the rally. Now you may think that its stock is correcting by 33%, it's very good time to buy. But wait, see the chart. It has went all over from 40 to 300. That is how much it went. Let's For simplification, let's assume 50. From 50 it went to 300. That is 600% rise. So on a 600% rise, 33% is not a big deal. Is it not a log chart? Yeah, it is log chart. So it is still in uptrend. So you might be wondering, if that was the case, why did I enter the trade now? So if you on the weekly chart, you can see that it was near a support zone. You can see this part, this zone, this was a support zone. Price consolidated here, and after that it rallied, and now it has come here. So it would act as a temporary support. Now let's move to daily chart. What has happened in daily? In daily, we can see that from last 3 days it has fallen 10%, from 231 to like 200. And moreover, there was a gap. Here it is gap down, so this gap needs to be filled. Okay, so this was weekly daily chart. And also, not only this, my major motivation to enter in Zomato at this point was that at at the end of this month, March month ending, it will be added in Nifty 50. Currently it is not in Nifty 50, it is not top 50 stock, but it will be added in the Nifty 50 index. And so like when last few stocks that were added, they gave like 4% 5% rally in a single day. So thinking of that logic, I thought that any day, it will be added on 28th March, so any day near it may rise to 3%. So thinking that logic, I entered the trade for next month April expiry, and luckily we can see that today itself it gave a rally. And so thinking of it as a good position, I think there shall be a pullback. This has gone up, there some shall be a pullback, and it should sustain like here. If it comes way back here, and I have like if my margin money is not at risk, then I will again enter somewhere 203 202 anywhere, or even at 204 also I can enter. Anyways, so that was all for this video. This way you can see I made a profit, decent profit. Okay, so that was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my analysis. Yeah, and let me provide you a disclaimer. This is not a stock recommendation tip. Please uh, please use your capital on your own risk, and trade on your assumptions, not anyone else. I hope if you want to learn technical analysis, I have a separate playlist for that. You can refer to that. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this analysis video, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.